Namaste. Myself Manveer. I am from Western Pushkar, working as a sous chef over here. So today we are going to demonstrate very simple home recipe, which is like a Gulkand Gulab Ki Firni. Can you show it over here? This is a Gulkand Gulab Ki Firni, which is having a very simple ingredients used in that, which is rice, Amul milk, Gulkand, pistachio, and some rose water and rose petals. So to make the Gulab Gulkand Ki Firni, first of all we have to soak the rice. So which is I already soaked it and pre-grind it for you just to save our time. So this is going to, you can look at it. It will be looking like this, very finely, coarsely grinded. And we have to take the full fat milk, which is Amul Gold milk, which we have to reduce it. At least we have to cook it around 10 to 15 minutes. We have to reduce it a little bit till the half of the full milk. So which I have already done it for you. So the ingredients, I have given a little bit twist in that. So as you can see, this is a Gulkand, which is a very popular product in the Pushkar. It is locally grown. It is abundant amount of like rose grown in the Pushkar. So which I have been using it and making a local dish. So basically Firni is from the North India, but I have given some Rajasthani touch to it. These are the pistachio, sugar, cardamom powder, gulab jal, rose water, and these are the local magical rose, which are really edible and you can use in the cooking while making the desserts or any mocktails. So you can use it anywhere as your wish. So as you can see, the milk is already getting thick. I will like to give a small tip for you. While washing it, rice, please wash it 3-4 times just to remove the the dirty water and the starch, release it. Then after it, completely remove the water from it, so that it will not make your pudding watery.
Chef, one of the viewer want to know which rice we are using.
As I said, it is like a homely recipe, so you can use any rice you have in a house or in a house, So you can use the basmati rice or the kanki, which is a small granules. You can use any rice. You can also use the wheat, broken wheat. You can also use the rava. You can make any grain or for the pudding. So the specialty about this pudding, it's like a gluten free also, because we are using the rice only. If we are using the wheat, broken wheat, so it will not become the gluten free. So this is like a gluten free dessert as well. And this pudding you can also make a sugar free by using the Gulkand only, not adding the sugar. So it's up to you. You wanted to add the sugar or not. So these are the things you can customize your pudding by it. As you can see, the milk is already thickened up to my wish. So I will add some soaked rice and coarsely grinded rice into it, and keep my gas on the simmering. So after adding this, you have to
Chef, one of the viewer want to know how much time we have to reduce the milk.
As we are using the full fat milk, so at least for 15-20 minutes we have to do it. We have to reduce the milk. We have to almost do the half of the milk you are using. Like you are using 1 liter, so you have to reduce it to 500 ml only. So while after putting the rice inside, you have to whisk it properly, just to avoid the lumps which are generally created inside the dishes. So we have to mix it well and slowly cook. You have to stir it properly in the corners of the pan so that extra crumbs are there, so it will get mixed properly inside this dish. To cook the rice a little bit more. We can add some elaichi powder, very little bit, just to give a good flavor. You can add some sugar according to your taste. Well, nowadays people are very health conscious, so that's why I'm using the Gulkan. So it's completely sugar free. You can make a firni according to your wish also. You can add different flavors like saffron. You can add some different chocolates as well. You can experiment in your home. Any ingredient you can use like chocolate or gulkand or roabza. You can give it a flavor according to your taste. You can experiment anyway. Add some rose water, few drops, just for the good rose flavor for it. For presenting the firni, best goes in the earthenware, which is like a mitti ki katori, which is also very much locally made in the Ajmer and the Pushkar. So the taste, the flavor of the mitti throughout comes into the dish, and it makes more flavorful, and it's natural, decomposed. As you can see, this is almost to be done. Now we'll add some gulkand. There you go. So you can see the color is already start changing, and it's go a little brownish.
One of the viewer want to know what is the name of the recipe.
It's Gulkand Gulab Ki Firni. See, this is Firni generally came out of the very famous Indian dessert, which is Kheer, which is like basically it's centuries away old recipe which was used by the god and goddesses of the India. They were used to make sweet. So I think this was the first dessert in India which was made, which is Kheer. So the derivative of Kheer is Firni. So it came out of that. Kheer can be served in hot as well as cold, but the Firni generally goes best with the cold temperature only. So afterwards we have to cool it around for 2 hours or something. Then you can get the perfect temperature to consume it. flavors coming out of it.
One of the viewer want to know that the recipe for this Fernie, about they want the ingredient name and all. What is the proper
So for
recipe?
the proper recipe, I will share it after this post. This session, I will share it on my Facebook. You can get it from there. You can see the color properly.
So it's thickened.
You can see the texture is good. You have the perfect shine as well because of the presence of the sugar. So you can get the very shiny texture out of it, which is very important. The food should look good as well. It should be polished.
So chef, any ratio can you suggest, like what is supposed to be the ratio for milk and rice?
See, generally you have to use 1 liter of milk, 1/4 cup of rice, and 100 grams of sugar. 100 grams of gulkand is as per your wish. Sugar and the gulkand is upon your flavor which you want in your dish. Then pistachio is for the garnish only. So this is the ratio. Basically, this is a very simple recipe. You can make very easily at your home. There is no rocket science inside it. So I think this is ready. So I will pour my Fernie into my Sakura. This is called Sakura as well. In this period of lockdown, you can easily make this recipe at your home, as well as when the Ramadan is going. This is a perfect sweet to open your iftar. You can now add some rose petals. These are like edible roses, which is very much grown in the Pushkar. You can add some pistachio. You can use any other nuts as well, as like almonds, cashew nuts, raisins. Is as per your wish. How you want to create your dish, you can create it. So this is my Gulab Gulkand ki Fernie ready for you. So you should definitely try at your home. This is a worth dish. Thank you so much. If any questions, done.